I assume you already have Inkscape downloaded. Once you download it, open Inkscape and you have to set up your page according to how you would like to work. Hi, my name is Ramola. Welcome to my channel. Here I show you different ways in which you can set up your page. You can set up your page under document properties, which you will find on the command bar or under file, or either you can click on page 2. You can choose to work on inches or centimeters. I choose to work on centimeters. I start drafting with the polygon tool, 5 corners. I'm using the gray shading. In order to edit the size, you must go into Path and click onto Object to Path. Convert it. Once converted to Path, then only can you do adjustments using the node tool, the pointed end around it. Watch closely on the video how it is done. I'll make a duplicate of it and watch my video and follow the steps. The duplicate, I shape it into a handle. Make 2 small circles and center it on the handle as shown. Select all the pieces and align it to the center. With that selected, go to Path and click onto Exclusion. Create a rectangle as shown. Then center it on the head as shown. Make sure that the rectangle is raised to the top. Raised to the top icon is shown on the command bar. Place the tail end as shown on the video. Select all the pieces that you put together. Adjust it accordingly. Then group it with Ctrl G or use the icon on the command bar to group it. Thereafter, click on Filters, Bevel and Raised Border. That completes making the zip slider. Set the slider aside and let's start making the teeth. Start drawing a rectangle the size of a teeth of the zip. Filter it the same way as the slider and convert it to Object to Path. With the pen tool, draw a vertical line. Select the triangle you made and copy it. Select the vertical line and click on Path Effects. On the drop down, look for pattern along path and click on it. Change the width and spacing according to as shown on the video. Play around with it till you get the right setting, as yours might show differently to mine. Tick the box where it shows pattern is vertical. Under pattern copies, choose repeated stretched. Thereafter, under pattern source, click linked to path in clipboard. You can also adjust the width and spacing with the rectangle that was created, as it is linked to that line, as shown on the video. Make a duplicate of that. And adjust to set it in as a teeth. Duplicate the triangle and set it in either end and the top and the bottom as a stopper. Duplicate the slider and set it on the teeth as shown, making sure that the slider is raised to the top of the teeth. Set that zip aside. Draw a curved line. The procedure is the same as the first zip, except this is on a curve, and follow my video through to the end. This is just roughly to show you how it would look on the garment.